Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were discussing about the fifth lesson, food. Yes, what is food? It is our basic need. Yes, in the last class we have studied about why we need a food. Yes, can you tell the answer? Why we need a food? We need a food. Yes, for the growth purpose, and it keeps us healthy and it gives us energy. It helps us to grow, it keeps us healthy and it gives us energy. Next, we have studied about that the nutrients. Yes, all the food contains what? They contain a nutrients. The definition of a nutrients, the essential components in a food that we need to live and grow are known as a nutrients. Nutrients andre enu? Yes, these are the essential components. Where these are present? These essential components are present in a food. Yes, by eating food, then what we will do? What it help us? It help us to live and grow. Then the important essential nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals and fiber. Yes, next about the carbohydrates we discussed. Yes, what are carbohydrates, dear students? Carbohydrates are the energy giving foods. Yes, they provide energy to our body. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are energy giving foods. They provide energy to our body. Then which are the sources of carbohydrates? From which food we are getting carbohydrates to our body? Yes, rice, wheat, fruit juices and potatoes. By eating all these foods, okay, we will get carbohydrates to our body. Okay, people who do a lot of physical work, they need a lot of carbohydrates. ಯಾರು ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಭಾಳ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್? ಯಸ್, ರೈಸ್, wheat, fruit juices and potatoes. These are the sources of carbohydrates. Next, yes, the food items which are rich in carbohydrates: rice, bread, chapatis, potatoes and bananas. These are the rich source of carbohydrates. In these foods we can find the carbohydrates. By eating this we will get carbohydrates to our body. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Next we will see about the next component of a food, that is the fats. Fats give our body more energy than carbohydrates. See dear students, fats will give more energy. If you compare to the carbohydrates, fat will give us more energy. Cooking oil, ghee, meat, nuts and butter are rich in fat. Yes, then which are the sources of fats? Yes, the sources of fats are cooking oil, ghee. Ghee andre tuppa, meat andre ಮಾಂಸ, nuts ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟರ್ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಈ ಫುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ these foods we will get fats to our body. Extra fat is stored in the body for later use. See dear students, whatever the extra, if you eat more amount of fats, the extra fat is stored. Where it is stored? It is stored in the body. For what purpose it is stored? ಯಾಕದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, for the later use. If there is a loss of energy in our body, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. The body uses this extra fat as a source of energy when it is not get sufficient amount of food. See dear students, when we will not eat a sufficient amount of food, at that time this extra fat is acts as a source of energy. But too much fat is not good for our body. It makes us obese. See dear students, we should not eat more amount of fat also. ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಐಟಮ್ಸನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಒಬೇಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಟಯರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬೇಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಬೇಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಈಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್? ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿಲ್, ಘೀ, ಮೀಟ್, nuts and butter. These are the sources of fats. Yes, can you see the picture here? This is the butter, ghee, this is the cooking oil. Yes, the meat it may be. These are the sources of fats. I hope you have understood about the fats. Let us see about the next component of a food, proteins. Proteins help us to grow. Then what is the function of proteins dear students? It help us to grow. ನೀವು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಿತೀರಿ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, ಡೈಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದೇನು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತರೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎದರಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ proteins help us to grow. Food rich in proteins is known as a body building food. So what are proteins? Proteins are body building foods. Remember the definition here. Proteins are the body building foods. Which are the energy giving foods? Fats and carbohydrates are the energy giving foods. Then which are the body building foods? Proteins are the body building foods. Pulses, fish, eggs, cheese, milk and beans are rich source in proteins. Then which are the sources of proteins? ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪಲ್ಸಸ್, ಫಿಶ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಗ್, ಚೀಸ್, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, beans. Yes, by eating these all the items we will get proteins to our body. Growing children need more protein rich food than adults. See dear students, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂಥ ವಯಸ್ಸು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ನೀಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ? ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ನೀಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಫುಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ದೊಡ್ಡೋರಿಗಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣೋರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್, ಫಿಶ್, eggs, cheese, milk and beans. These all the items you have to consume more so that you will get proteins to your body and you will stay healthy. So dear students, today what we have discussed about the proteins and fats. So you have to remember which are the energy giving foods. Carbohydrates and fats are the energy giving foods. Then which are the energy building food? Proteins are the energy giving food here. Then what is the function of protein? Yes, it helps us to grow. Then which are the sources of proteins? Pulses, fish, eggs, cheese, milk and beans. These are the sources of proteins. So read and mark the important points in your textbook. In the next video class, we will continue with this lesson. Till that, study well, read the lesson, mark the points. Have a nice day. Thank you.